Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Kalshi Withdrawal Failed. If your money does not go through, you see a withdrawal error. Don't worry, this is usually easy to fix on Kalshi. First, log into your Kalshi and go to Profile or Wallet. If funds are still tied to open or unsettled trade, withdrawal will fail. Wait until trades are settled. You can also go to the transfer. If your bank is connected, tap on your bank account. Make sure your bank account is correct, verified, still connected. If your bank are disconnected or change, relink it and try again. Withdrawal can fail if your identity verification is incomplete. Go to the account setting and make sure your account setting and confirm with your ID and personal details are approved. If Kalshi request is more information, submit it before trying again. Make sure you are withdrawing at least the minimum amount. You are not exceeding daily or weekly withdrawal limit. Adjust the amount if needed and retry. Sometimes withdrawal fails due to the temporary system or bank issues. Wait a few hours or until the next business day and try again. If it still fails, go to the settings or you can tap on three dot. After that, tap on Kalshi support. Click on your support chats. Here you can send a message explaining that your withdrawal failed and includes your account, email, withdrawal amount, date of the attempt. Never submit multiple withdrawal at the same time. This can cause delay or failure. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.